missing consistency even though your swing is improving, most beginners start with the wrong clubs, and it slows everything down. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm revealing the best starter golf clubs for beginners that make learning smoother and more exciting. Check the links in the description and start your journey with gear that helps you grow fast. The number 5 product on our list is Stix Golf Club. It's wild how many beginners spend months struggling with mishits, shaky confidence, and inconsistent shots, when the real issue isn't their swing at all, it's the outdated, mismatched clubs they're using. That's exactly why this set feels like stepping into a calmer, more controlled version of the game, something every new player silently hopes for but rarely gets. The first thing you notice is how light and balanced everything feels, giving you that instant sense of relief when the ball launches cleaner than you expected. Every club in this lineup is crafted with a level of precision that makes you feel like you're finally playing with gear that understands you. The graphite shafts do more than boost speed. They create this smooth rhythm that builds confidence one strike at a time. Compared to some bulkier starter options that feel stiff or unforgiving, this one actually adapts to you instead of demanding perfection. The irons and wedge hold up beautifully, even after repeated swings, giving long-term value without adding unnecessary weight. And the putter brings a steady, reassuring control that beginners often crave. What stood out to me is how the hybrid fills the gap most newcomers struggle with: distance without sacrificing accuracy. Is it perfect? Not entirely. The driver may feel slightly light for players with naturally powerful swings, but for those learning proper form, it's a blessing. And while some might prefer a larger set with more specialty clubs, the simplicity here keeps things approachable rather than overwhelming. If you've been searching for something tested for everyday play, something that feels like a smart, safe step into the game without overcomplicating things, this is a choice that makes sense. It suits new players and improving golfers who want dependable performance and peace of mind in every swing. At number 4 is PGM Golf Club. Most beginners don't realize this, but the fastest way to fall in love with golf is not by fixing your swing first, it's by using a set that actually supports your learning curve. And that's exactly where this set quietly surprises you. The moment you pick it up, there's this instant sense of comfort, the kind that makes you take a deeper breath and think maybe this game isn't as intimidating as it felt yesterday. The driver stands out immediately with its crisp, confident sound that makes every strike feel cleaner than your skill level might suggest, something that instantly boosts self-belief. Then the hybrid steps in like a dependable partner, filling that gap where distance and control often fall apart for newcomers. And the irons take things further with a forgiving face that turns near misses into respectable shots. Compared to stiffer, heavier beginner options, this setup actually adapts to you, helping build rhythm instead of punishing mistakes. The ergonomics play a huge role here too, especially the lighter graphite build. That encourages smoother swings and reduces fatigue, something a lot of early players struggle with. The putter feels stable and grounded, giving you that sense of quiet control every beginner craves on the green. Now, it's not flawless. Advanced players might find the flex a bit soft and the overall set slightly limited if they're already developing speed and strength. But for the learner who wants something tested for everyday practice, something that feels like a smart and safe step forward without unnecessary complexity, this is an easy recommendation. It brings confidence, comfort, and consistency into one place. And that's a rare combination at this level. If you're starting your journey or building early momentum, this set delivers a calm, steady experience that helps you grow with every swing. The third one on our list is Precise Golf Club. Most new golfers don't realize how much their confidence depends on the very first set they pick, and that's why this one hits differently from the moment you unzip the bag. There's this instant sense of clarity, like the game finally becomes less confusing and more inviting. The oversized driver gives you that first spark of relief, launching the ball with a satisfying lift that makes you feel in control, even if you're still figuring out your swing tempo. The fairway wooden hybrid continue that same pattern of forgiveness, stepping in exactly where long irons usually intimidate beginners, turning those tough shots into smooth, confidence-building moments. The irons offer a blend of strength and precision thanks to their steel construction, giving every strike a grounded, stable feel that helps you understand your swing better with each round. And compared to the lighter graphite-based sets, this one offers a more connected feedback style, great for players who want to develop true consistency without feeling punished for mistakes. The bag adds real convenience with its storage layout and comfortable straps, something many early golfers underestimate until they walk the course for the first time. Now, it does have trade-offs. The steel shafts may feel slightly heavy for absolute beginners who prefer feather-light swings, and taller players will need to pick the right size to avoid posture issues. But for someone looking for a dependable, complete setup that feels like a smart, steady investment into their game, this set genuinely delivers. It brings structure, reliability, and a calm sense of progress that keeps you improving week after week. If you want a beginner-friendly path that feels reassuring yet capable of growing with you, this is a set that truly supports that journey. On number 2 is Wilson Golf Club. Most young players step onto the course believing their struggles come from lack of talent, when in reality the biggest battle is using gear that doesn't match their body, strength, or swing. That's why this set immediately feels like a breath of fresh air. The moment you hold it, there's this sense of comfort and balance that turns early frustration into curiosity. The light, junior soak design gives beginners a feeling of control instead of overwhelm, and the low-weighted heads make the ball lift off the ground with surprising ease, creating those small wins that keep a new golfer motivated. Compared to heavier, stiffer options that force kids into awkward swings, this setup feels intentionally crafted for natural learning, making every strike feel smoother and more predictable. The grip size plays a huge role too, giving young hands better security and reducing the tension that often kills a beginner's form. And the distance performance is genuinely impressive for a junior set, offering a clean, confident launch that helps build rhythm early on. The bag adds another layer of practicality with its durable build and layout that makes kids feel like they're carrying something truly professional. Now, the set isn't perfect. Older or stronger juniors may outgrow the flex quicker than expected, and a few advanced players might crave a hybrid or extra iron options to expand their range. But for developing players who need something dependable, forgiving, and tested in real playing conditions, this set hits the sweet spot. It gives young golfers a sense of safety, control, and progress that keeps the game enjoyable rather than intimidating. If you're choosing a starter path that feels supportive, confidence-boosting, and smart for long-term growth, this one delivers a strong and steady foundation. Now, moving to the last one is Callaway Golf Club. Most beginners step onto the course thinking their power isn't enough or their aim is the problem, when in reality, what holds them back is using gear that doesn't support their natural swing. That's why this set feels like such a refreshing shift. The moment you take the driver in your hands, there's this rush of confidence the larger sweet spot gives you, sending the ball forward with a smooth, powerful glide that makes you rethink what you're capable of. The fairway wood continues that momentum, delivering fast swing speeds without demanding perfect technique, something that instantly brings a sense of relief to newer players. The hybrid is where things truly click, stepping in as the hero for those long shots that usually feel intimidating, offering a forgiving, easy launch that simplifies those moments that often break a beginner's rhythm. The irons feel balanced and supportive with their perimeter weighting, helping you strike cleaner, steadier shots as you improve your tempo. And the wedges bring this sense of control around the greens, letting you shape short shots with more confidence than you thought possible at your current level. Compared to some simpler beginner sets that offer limited versatility, this one gives you more room to grow, while still feeling gentle on mistakes. The putter's alignment design adds another layer of calm, helping you stay steady during those pressure moments when beginners usually fall apart. The bag itself is well built and comfortable to carry, rounding out the experience with practicality. Now, it's not a flawless setup. Players with naturally slower swings may take time to adjust to the driver's lighter shaft, and some golfers might want an additional hybrid or specialty wedge. But for newcomers who want a dependable, confidence-boosting set that feels like a smart, safe investment into their early golf journey, this one delivers exactly the kind of support that keeps you improving without feeling overwhelmed. So guys, this was the video about the best starter golf clubs. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.